let me do a recap of all the important key points. First key point, representation of xy in base system 10, xyz in base system 10, xyzw in base system 10. What is the definition of a digit? What is the definition of a place value? Next one, the divisibility rule for second key point, divisibility rule for 2, 5, 10. 2, 5, 10. All the place for 2 unit digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 5 unit digit should be 0 and 5. 10 unit digit has to be 0. Third one, divisibility rule for 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. So it is up to 2 power k. Divisibility rule for 2 power k. Next one, fourth one, divisibility rule for 3, 9. I hope it is clear. Next one, divisibility rule for base system k minus 1 for a base system k. Then we discussed divisibility rule for 11, 7 and 13. 3 methods we discussed. 3 methods. Next one, divisibility rule for 5 square, 5 cube and so on up to 5 power k. What is the last concept we discussed? Divisibility rule for base system k plus 1 for base in base system k. For k plus 1 in base system k. All the 8 key points, I hope it is clear. Once you, okay, another key point which we discussed, how to find out the divisibility rule for composite numbers. How to find out the divisibility rule for a composite numbers. Now let us solve problems. All the problems will be easy if you know these concepts. I hope session number 1 is very, very clear. In this session number 2, we will solve a problems based upon the concepts that we discussed in session number 1. Now there is a number. Listen carefully. All the questions are taken from the previous year examination. 83462 star 704. It is divisible by 3. What is the concept behind divisibility of 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be, right, divisible by 3. So 83462 star 704. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 3, it is divisible by 3. 6, it is divisible by 3. 8 plus 4, divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 9, divisible by 3. Next it is nothing but 4 plus star should be divisible by 3. 4 plus star should be divisible by 3. Right? Now see here. Star is nothing but a digit. Star is nothing but a digit. Star can take value 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. That is possible. Right? Next one. Star can take 5. Star can take 5. 4 plus 5, 9. It is divisible. Right? Then keep on adding, sir. It is nothing but star can take 8. 2 plus 5 plus 8. Star is nothing but a digit. It can take any values from 0 to 9. The lowest value star can take is 2. Every time add 3 to it. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2 is nothing but 15. 13 plus 2 is nothing but 15. First one answer is nothing but 15. Previous year examination question. PYQ, previous year examinations type. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Eliminate the digits whose sum is 3. 3 is eliminated. 8 plus 4 is eliminated. 7 plus 2 is eliminated. 6 plus 4 is. Remaining is 4 plus star. 4 plus star should be divisible by 3. Star can be 2, 5 or 8. Answer is nothing but 15. I hope the first one it is clear. There is a number which is divisible by both 11 and 13. Then it must be necessarily divisible by. Suppose if there is a number, for example 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, remainder 0. 15 is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. Right? 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. Is 15 divisible by 3 plus 5? 8? No, not possible. First option out. Is 15 divisible by 5 minus 3? 2? No, second option not possible. Is 15 divisible by 3 and 5 15? Definitely yes. So if it is working for 15 where the denominator is 3 and 5, the same thing should also work for 11 and 13. Suppose if a number is divisible by 11, another and the same number is divisible by 13, answer should be divisible by LCM of 11 and 13. 11 and 13 are co-primes. LCM of co-primes is always their product. So answer is 11 into 13 is 143. 11 into 13 is 143. If a number is divisible by A and a number is divisible by B, then the number is divisible by both A and B. If A and B are co-primes, then the LCM is nothing but their product. Next one, the largest number that should be placed instead of star in the equation 2365 star 4 and making that number divisible by 4. Already we have discussed what is divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Unit digit 4 fixed. So this can be 04. This can be 24. This can be 44. This can be 64. This can be 84. I hope it is clear. Tens place always takes an even digit including 0. I cannot take an odd digit. 14, 34, 54 not possible. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the largest digit among 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? Answer is nothing but 8. So star value is nothing but 8. Star value is nothing but 8. I hope the second question is very clear. What is the concept to solve this question? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Next one, 1005 x4. This number is completely divisible by 8. Completely divisible by 8. That means the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. The last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. If a number is completely divisible by 8, that means it is completely divisible by 4. If a number is divisible by 6, that means it is divisible by 2 and 3. So last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. If last 2 digits is divisible by 4, unit digit is 4. Tens place has to be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That means these x can take 0, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4 and 8, 4 for it to be divisible by 4. But I want 8. Let us put 504, 524, 544, 584. Right? The smallest integer that is possible. 504. 8 6 are 48, 24. 8 3s are 24. First itself is giving you answer. 8 6 are 48, 44, not possible. 8 7s are 56, not possible. 8 6 are 48, 8 8s are 64. These possible, right? Because the smallest is asked in the question 544, I am eliminating. 8 7s are 56, 24. These also not possible. None of these is not possible, right? Because we are asking for the smallest integer. Smallest integer, what is possible in this question? Out of 0, 2, 6, 4, 8 is nothing but 0. Nothing but 0. Here 1 can be eliminated immediately because the unit digit is 4. For the number to be divisible by 8, it should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Unit digit 4, tens place has to be an even digit. This option not possible, right? Because the smallest value among these 0, 2, 6, 4 and 8 is 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, there is a number 746832 star 71. This number is divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. This is nothing but 6 plus 3 is 9. I can eliminate it. Next one, if you observe, wherever 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 7 is nothing but 18. I can eliminate it. Next one, 8 plus 1 is 9. I can be eliminated. 2 plus star should be divisible by 9. 2 plus star should be divisible by 9. The star value is nothing but 7 because 2 plus 7 is nothing but 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. If I delete the digits whose sum is 9, right, I will get the star value. I hope the idea it is clear. How many pairs of x and y are possible in the number 7, 6, 3x, 4y2? If this number is divisible by 9, if a number is divisible by 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits divisible by 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3, it is divisible by 9. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus x plus y, it is divisible by 9. 13 plus x plus y, it is divisible by 9. So 13 is exceeding the first multiple of 9. That means if 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. X plus y both are digits. 2 digits maximum value is nothing but 18, 9 plus 9. This is not possible. That means x plus y, it can be 14. X plus y, it can be 14. If it is 14, if maximum value is 9, 9 comma 5, it is one case. What is the next value? 8 comma 6, it is another case. 7 comma 7, it is another case. I hope it is clear, right? 9 comma 5, 8 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Next, any other case? Next, 9 comma 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 10, it is not possible. Y cannot take a value greater than 9. 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 7. So these are 3 cases when the sum is 27. If the sum is 18, x plus y, it is nothing but 5. If it is 5, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. If it is 2 comma 3, this can also be 3 comma 2. X value 2, y value 3. X value 3, y value 2. This can also be 4 comma 1. This can also be 6 comma 8. This can also be 5 comma 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. Total how many cases I will get the answer? 9 cases I will get the answer. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2 is divisible by 9. 7 plus 6 plus x plus y. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus x plus y is divisible by 9. The 13 means it is exceeding 9. What is the multiple of 9? Just greater than 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 fours are 36. 36 is not possible. Why? Because x plus y value will become 23. X and y are digits. The maximum sum of digits is 9 plus 9, 18. So 36 is eliminated. X plus y 14. X plus y 1 plus 13 not possible. Y value maximum it is 9. 2 and 12 not possible. 3 and 11 not possible. 4 and 10 not possible. 5 and 9 possible. Reverse is 9 and 5. 6 and 8, 8 and 6. These possible. X plus y 5. 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Next it is nothing but 7, 7. Totally 9 values I got whose sum will be divisible. All are previous year questions, sir. Next one. There is a number 8947A 56B1. This is the number. This is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, first eliminate 9. If I eliminate 9, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Next one, 12. What is remaining? 8 plus 4 plus A plus B plus 1. 8 plus 1 is also 9. That means finally what I got? A plus B plus 4 is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. From this case it is not possible. Why? Because if A plus B plus 4 is 27, A plus B is 23, maximum value A and B can take is 9, it cannot be 27. So if A plus B, if it is 5, first case. Next one, if A plus B, it is, how much it is? 14. A plus B is 5, A plus B is 14. Now one point that is given, B is an odd number. If B is an odd number, A value is 4, B value is 1. If B value is 3, A value is 2. Two cases I will get. Similarly, if B is an odd number, if B is 1, A value 13, not possible. B value 3, A value 11, not possible. A and B are digits. Next one, B value 5, A value 9, possible. Next one, B value 7, A value 7, that is also possible. B value 9, A value 5, possible. B value 11 onwards, it is not possible. I hope it is clear. B is an odd number. Here 1 and 3. If B is 5, A value will become 0. This is also possible. If B is 5, A value will become 0. Sum means A 0, 0 plus any number, the addition value will not change. These A4, 2 and 0, 1, 3 and 5. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. From beyond 9 onwards, it is not possible. Sum of all the values of A. First A value is 4. Next A value is 2. Next it is 0. Next A value is 9. Next A value is nothing but 7. Next A value is nothing but 5. So how much we got? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 5, 27. Answer for this question is 27. B is an odd number, 1, 3, 5. B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B greater than 9, it is not possible. Simple and enumeration question, little bit of investment of time, you will get the answer. Next one. Suppose 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. These are singular digits. So total 9 digits. Total 9 digits I already wrote. I want 97 digits, out of which 9 digits I already wrote. How many more digits I need to write? 88 more digits I need to write. 88 more digits I need to write. After 9 it is 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. Every number is nothing but a group of 2 digits. Every number is nothing but a group of 2 digits. In 88 remaining digits, how many groups of 2 digits are there? Which is nothing but 2 into 44 groups. 2 into 44 groups. Are you all with me? First group is 10 plus 0. Second group is 10 plus 1. Third group is 10 plus 2. 44th group is nothing but 10 plus 43, which is nothing but 53. Last number which I wrote is nothing but 53. The number before is nothing but 52. These is nothing but 51. This will start from 10 and before 1 it is nothing but 129. 129. Now, if you think also logically, you will get the answer. These are all single digits. 9 into 1 is nothing but 9 single digits. From 10 to 53, total 44 numbers I wrote. Every number is a group of 2 digits. 44 into 2 is 88. 88 plus 9 is nothing but 97. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am repeating. Single digits are from 1 to 9, which is nothing but 9 digits. Out of 97 digits, 9 digits I already wrote. Remaining is nothing but 88 digits. After 9, every number is a group of 2 digits. 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. So, group of 2 digits is 2 into 44 groups. First group is 10 plus 0. Second is 10 plus 1. Third is 10 plus 2. 44th group is 10 plus 43, which is 53. So, these 53, 52, 51 and so on up to 10. Idea is clear, right? Now, what is the divisibility rule for 16? 16 is nothing but last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Unit digits, tens digit, hundreds place. These nothing but 5253 divided by 16. These nothing but 16 threes are 48, 45. 16 threes are 48, 45. 16 twos are 32, right? 133. 16 eights are 128. What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 5. Remainder is nothing but 5. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find out the entire number and divide it by 16. Division by 16 is nothing but last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Finding out the last 4 digits, which number it will end with, that is the logic here. So, if you see here 10 to 53, 44 2 digit numbers are there. Every number it is 2 digits. 44 into 2 is 88, 88 plus 9 is 97. Idea clear? Next one. These are the questions based on the divisibility rule for a composite number. Divisibility rule for 12 is, divisibility rule for 12 is nothing but divisibility rule for 3 and 4. Divisibility rule for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 4 means the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 24 it is already divisible by 4. That means it should be divisible by 3. 517x324. It is already divisible by 4. It should be divisible by 3. 3 out. 7 plus 2 9 it is out. 5 plus 1 6 is divisible by 3. X plus 4 should be divisible by 3. X plus 4 should be divisible by 3. So, the lowest value x can take is 2. Why? Because any number which is divisible by 3, it is of the form 3, 6, 9 and so on. X plus 4 is 3. X will become negative, but x is a digit. X plus 4 is 6. X value will become 2. Next one. 5432 47x 968y. This is the number. It is divisible by 90. Write down 90 as a product of two coprimes, which is nothing but 1 into 10. What is the divisibility rule for 10? Unit digit should be 0. Unit digit should be 0. That means y is 0. It is fixed. Y is 0. y is 0. If y is 0, 0 into anything 0, answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 21 and 25 are eliminated. 21 and 25 are eliminated. Y is 0. So the remaining number is nothing but 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 7, 6, 9, 6, 8. What is the divisibility rule for 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 5 plus 4, 9 out. 7 plus 2 out. 9 is also out. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18 out. What is remaining? 3 plus x should be divisible by 3 plus x should be divisible by 9. So x 3 plus x is nothing but 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Beyond 9 x will become a 2-digit number, but x is a single digit. So x is nothing but 6. 4 into 6 is nothing but 24. Answer is nothing but 24. Just by looking at the question, y is 0, because any number divided by 10, unit digit will be 0. Y is 0. From that y, x value came out to be 6. If y is 0, answer should be divisible by 4. 4 into something. 21 and 25, it is out. This question already we discussed. Now see here. What is the value of x such that the 7-digit number? What is that number? 91876x2. It is divisible by 72. 72 is a composite number. Composite number, to find out the value of x, the number should be written as a product of two coprimes. 2 into 36, I cannot write. This I cannot write. This I cannot write. 6 into 12 I cannot write. So it has to be 8 into 9. It has to be 8 into 9. It has to be 8 into 9. Now see here. What is the value of x? First of all, x means last 3 digits. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, or this entire number should be divisible by 9. This entire number should be divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 9 out, 8 plus 1 out, 7 plus 2 out. 6 plus x should be divisible by 9. 6 plus x should be divisible by 9. X value is nothing but 3. X value is nothing but 3. X value is nothing but 3. See, what you can do here is, x value is nothing but 3. You can go by the answer option. See here, it is divisible by 8 and 9. For a number to be divisible by 8, it should be divisible by 4. If I put 2, this is becoming 22. 22 is not divisible by 4. If it is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? 22 is ruled out. 62. 62 is also ruled out because it is not divisible by 4. So these nothing but 91876. Suppose if I take second option, 72. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. These divisible by 9. These divisible by 9. 7 plus x, 13. 13 is not divisible by 9. So you can go by the answer option. Without doing this, you can check it out. The only thing which is important here is divisibility rule for a composite number is nothing but writing the number as a product of two coprimes. Before writing 8 into 9, keep an eye on the answer option. Keep an eye on the answer option.